This is Acer laptop, and this laptop problem is hinge is broken, and you can see this, and this part is broken. Okay, this is the right side, and this is totally broken. Maybe it's fall on the floor, and that's why it's broken. And today I'll fix this very simple and easy way. Let's start. And when I try to open this, and you can see this broken part, it's brutally broken. Okay, before I do anything, I need to disconnect the battery. And this is the broken side. Here I am using epoxy glue, and when you mix in it, it should be definitely you have to measure equally both gum. Okay, after that you feeding, and until you feeding it become white color. And before you using glue, you should measure this hinge part, broken part. Okay, where you will set up this is here. This is perfectly set up. I think this is okay. And I use this screw, and this screw cannot overflow on the screw hole. Okay, that's why. And after 24 hours, and these things attach strongly. Okay, there is no problem, and you can see this, it's perfectly working. Okay, and I can do something here, and you can lose this screw for better performance. Not much more, but little bit you can lose this. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's set up this. Okay, after fitting this, and you can see it's perfectly attached, there is no problem, but here is a little bit gap, but it does not matter, and it adjustable. Okay, and this one is the good side, and this side also. Okay, our work is done. Let's check it, and you can see this is perfect, this right. And this side also, this is perfectly working. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.